Hello, my dear children. Good morning, my dear children. Today's activity, body pose. Are you ready for the activity? Let's start. Aswik and Bhargotej. Show your hands. Show your ears. Show your mouth. Show your neck. Show your stomach. Take the duster. Very good. Draw nose on the board. Very good. Clap for them. Next, Gagan Vihar and Vinir. Show your head. Show your head. Show your eyes. Show your nose. Show your neck. Show your hands. Show your fingers. Take the duster. Draw ears on the board. Very good. Clap for them. Next, Rayans and Padasarathi. Show your hands. Show your stomach. Show your eyes. Show your legs. Show your hands. Show your hair. Show your mouth. Show your fingers. Take the duster. Very good. Draw eyes on the board. Very good. Clap for them. Next, Arvind and Gautam. Show your stomach. Show your head. Show your ears. Show your hands. Show your fingers. Show your legs. Show your hair. Take the duster. Draw arm on the board. Very good. Clap for them. Next, Anurag and Pejanya. Show your neck. Show your head. Show your ears. Show your eyes. Show your stomach. Show your finger. Show your elbow. Take the duster. Draw lips on the board. Very good. Clap for them. Next, Sri Vinay and Devash Abhinav. Show your legs. Show your hands. Show your head. Show your eyebrows. Show your forehead. Forehead. Show your nose. Take the duster. Draw hair on the board. Very good. Clap for them. Next, Jahnav and Nirmit. Show your head. Show your eyes. Show your nose. Show your neck. Show your ears. Show your legs. Show your hands. Take the duster. Draw nose on the board. Very good. Clap for them. Next, Jatin and Padu. Show your head. Show your eyes. Show your nose. Show your cheeks. Show your ears. Show your neck. Show your stomach. Show your hands. Show your elbows. Take the duster. Very good. Draw arm on the board. Very good. Clap for them. Very well done, my dear children.